And ladies and gentlemen, it's Johnny Trigg. Hey folks, Ben from Smokin Hot Confessions here. We've wrapped up at the Hammond BBQ Challenge here in beautiful downtown Hammond. And ladies and gentlemen, it's Johnny Trigg. How's the weekend been, sir?
It's been lovely so far, but we haven't got to the awards yet.
No, well then the best part is still to come then, isn't it?
Yeah, oh yeah. For some, and others it won't be.
No, it'll be heartbreaking for some, I'm sure.
All right.
So tell me, how many years have you been coming to this festival?
This is the 16th year I've been to all of them.
Every single one?
Every single one.
Wow.
Every year I say I ain't coming back, but here I am.
So what is it about this festival then that does keep you coming back every year?
I have a lot of good friends that are cooks here, and I get Eric let some new ones in. In fact, I brought four new teams here this year right there. They've never cooked it right there. And it's just a good, well-organized cook-off. I've
been very impressed with how involved the community's been. So we've blocked off all the main street of town. It's just fantastic.
And the mayor and the city council and all that, they're 100% back at it, and they take care of the cook-off. And in fact, they'd like to expand it more, but Eric don't want to get any larger, which I don't blame him.
I don't think he's physically got any more real estate to move into. I think
well, they could go all the way to the tree line down there, but Eric, in fact, the mayor wanted to. Eric said no. It takes a lot of manpower to put on these contests.
Absolutely, yeah. So in your years in competition barbecue, how have you seen the scene evolve?
What?
How have you seen the scene, the
it changes right
evolve?
there? Yeah. Well, you're getting more and more people cooking it. The cookers are getting more and more better at it, and it's just a lot of fun right there. For every cook-off that folds its door, there's usually 3 take its place right there. So it's becoming more and more competitive, and I foresee it, fortunately not in my lifetime, but I can see this like a PGA golf tournament right there. Have major sponsors and so on and so forth. When I first started in 1990, the entry fees were $25.
Oh, wow.
There's no prize money, and you got some sort of wood plaque or something like that. That's all it was.
Just literally doing it for the glory.
Yeah, you're true. Not anymore. It's expensive to do this.
Yeah,
right?
No doubt. Yeah.
Buying meat and transportation and cookers and all that.
Speaking of the cooker, can you tell me what you got here?
This is what you call a Jambo cooker. It's a stick burner right there, and it's one of the finest cookers in the world. And Jamie Gear, who owns the company right there, he's a very good friend. I've known him over 30 years. And I had the second one he ever made in 1963.
Oh, wow.
He had the first one. And presently I own 3 of them. The Jambo. He said, "Well, you got so many of them?" And my response is, "You play golf?" He said, "Yeah." "How many sets of clubs do you have?" No, it's great, and these cookers here, he ships them all over the world, right there. So they're very good.
Yeah, fantastic. Of the 4 hand-ins that you've done this weekend, what do you think is going to be your strongest performing today?
I quit predicting that a long time ago, because what I think is good and what those judges think is 2 different things. So.
All right. So which were you personally most happy with then?
Pork. I wasn't happy with that. That may be my best suit. I don't know. We'll find out at 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
But I'm known as a rib king right there. But I'm getting older right there. My wife and I both, we turned 80 last year, and she's getting burned out. And I still like to go. I don't cook as good as I used to, but I still love it.
Yeah.
Right there.
So how many competitions are you still doing a year at the moment?
Right now, I'm going to cut way back. I just did my taxes, and I only did 21 last year.
Only 21?
Well, I usually do, most I've ever done is 45.
Wow.
Right there. We got this motor over here. We bought it brand new. It's got 276,000 miles on it. All but 2,000 of it is all cooking.
Oh, wow.
So I love it, and you got so many good people that are doing it right there. I have so many good friends right there. So right now I'm tired, wore out. Give me a couple of days rest and I'm ready to go.
Yeah. Well, mate, speaking of which, I'm gonna not take up any more of your time. I'm gonna say thanks very much.
Yes, sir.
And best of luck at the awards.
Thank you. All right, bud.